electricity. Today we are going to learn about electricity. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Introduction. The discovery of electricity made a lot of difference in the lives of people. Earlier, people had to use wood and charcoal to produce energy. Now all people have to do is to plug in and switch on. Next up, we have sources of electricity. The sources of electricity are divided into parts: big sources and small sources. Big sources include power stations and generators. Small sources include primary cells and secondary cells. And cells are electrical devices which deliver electrical energy as a result of chemical reaction. This is an image of a nuclear power plant, and this is the image of the power generator. These are some examples of primary cells, and these are some examples of some secondary cells. So you may be wondering, what is the difference between primary cells and secondary cells? Let me explain. Difference between primary cells and secondary cells. Primary cells cannot be recharged, and on the other hand, secondary cells can be recharged. In primary cells, irreversible chemical reaction takes place, and in secondary cells, reversible chemical reaction takes place. In primary cells are also known as use and throw type of cells, and secondary cells are also known as accumulators. Dry cell. Dry cell was invented by George Leclanché. This is an image showing dry cells. Construction of a dry cell. Dry cells consist of a zinc cylinder placed on a tin cylinder. The tin cylinder is painted from outside such that it does not conduct through the walls. Earlier, instead of tin cylinder, porous cardboard was used. This is an image on the structure of a dry cell. Zinc cylinder is filled with ammonium chloride and gelatin along with some water so that the paste is formed. Inside this paste of ammonium chloride and gelatin, a cylindrical arrangement of muslin bag with a carbon rod placed. A brass cap is kept over the carbon rod. This is an image of a dry cell, and this is an image of the construction of a dry cell. Next, we have the space around the carbon rod is filled with manganese dioxide and activated carbon. The cell is sealed from the top with porous membrane. Now you must be thinking, what is porous membrane? Porous membranes consist of solid matrix with defined holes or pores. Few facts about dry cells. These cells are generally available as changeable and non-chargeable cells. These cells are leak-proof. They are portable. This is a picture of dry cells. These are the pictures of dry cells. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this, subscribe if you have benefited from this video. Do subscribe to our channel. When the second part of the energy video is out, I will let you know by giving a card on the top right corner of the screen. Thank you for watching.